Hi, my name is Vaishnavi Gundam, and today I'm going to be talking about what I learned in this module about civil engineering. So, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering deals with design, construction, maintenance, and analysis of infrastructural facilities like buildings, dams, roads, bridges, and many more. So, first, what are the areas of study? So, in civil engineering, there are many different fields, and it's not particular in one field. So, there are many things like architecture, surveying, structural, remote sensing, construction, hydraulics, water resource, and many, many more. So, what is the coursework that's required? So, it's actually different for bachelor's and master's degrees. And for the bachelor's degree, it focuses on math, statistics, structural design, and fluid mechanics and hydraulics. On the other hand, the master's degree is known to be more difficult to achieve and pays higher in jobs. And it requires different concepts like the atmosphere and energy, sustainable design and construction, geomechanics, and even climate change in more recent days. So next, we have the job nature, and since civil engineering has many different fields, different people have different responsibilities. Some of these responsibilities may include people giving beauty to buildings and architecture, proper planning of projects, so to see where cities and areas have the best fit for the project, and to see how the roads can connect without being a problem to other buildings surrounding the project. Assessing proper materials for construction. So this depends on the area and weather conditions. So if it rains a lot in one area, the material would have to be different than somewhere where tornadoes are more prevalent. Assessing the quality of soil is also important because you don't want to be building a structure where the soil can erode or the ground is not even. That would just cause more problems in the future and more money to fix. Water treatment also to see where the pipes can be fixed, and installing a sewer system within the structure or outside of the structure. And lastly, we have testing the stability of structures. This is also important because you don't want a structure to be unbalanced or not stable, which it could be very dangerous for people and also the company of wherever you're working. There are many more job natures, but these are the list that I just have for now. Moving on, we have the median salary. So the median salary of civil engineers worldwide is about $101,230. So wages can start at a minimum of $66,490 and can go all the way up to $161,850, which is above national average by 41%. The highest paid field in civil engineering is engineering project managers, who have median salary of $110,287. And New Orleans has the highest paid civil engineers, making around $125,910 annually. So with this, we can conclude that civil engineers have a good amount paid annually and have a good salary overall. The best paid 25% made $115,110 in 2020, while the lowest paid 25% made around $69,100 in 2020 as well. So lastly, we have certifications of civil engineers. There is a lot of certifications. It just depends on what field you're going into in civil engineering. These are some I have listed, and there are many, many more that I haven't listed. And some include engineering in training, structural engineer. There's a certified agile developer. Project management is a popular one. Certified survey technician, and there's many more. And all of these certifications are equally as important, because in a project there are many different civil engineers in different fields who put together and work on one project. So yeah, that was my presentation about civil engineering. Thank you for listening.